Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want to show you guys these intake here. That's the kind of the barcode, it's the information for it. This is the intake nasal strips, and if you've used those other ones that kind of strip on there, they kind of pull out a little bit and they work okay. But the way this one works, I'll show you guys what it comes with here. Let me put these all back in nicely here. So it comes with 4 of these little magnetic things here, and then you have like these Band-Aid looking things. So I'll show you here, let's see. So this is what it kind of looks like here. So it looks like those. And so you peel off these, you use this little magnet holder here so it'll kind of peel it off. I'm not gonna do it just because it's kind of weird, but you tape it on like here, and then you put the magnet on, and so you have the different sizes. So if you want the one that pulls the widest, that's this one here. And the way it works is these have little magnets in them, right there and there, and it magnets onto these, really strong. And then it holds it, and so you can sleep, and it pulls your nose out so you can breathe, and it works like, pulls them out way more than any of those other nasal strips that just have this little metal little thing in it or something like that. These ones here are solid, look at that. And then these are on with magnets, and the magnets are held on with the Band-Aids. They stay on really great, so they stay on super strong. So that's kind of how they work. They're super easy to do. I got the white one, but you can get black as well. But it's really cool, and it works. I used it last night, and cool, so give this thing a try, and didn't help me stop snoring necessarily, but it did make me breathe better, so I'll say it's a thumbs up on that part.